let's open this. So as you might be able to tell, I am a little bit excited to open this package. I have been waiting for this for 4 months, about 4 months. And if you also couldn't tell from the title, this is the Corpse merch that I ordered back in January. I ordered the sweatshirt from his little capsule collection, and I have been so excited to get it. And if you don't know who Corpse is, where have you been? But just to give a brief synopsis, he has a YouTube channel, he has a music career, he does a lot of fun streaming with other popular streamers like Sykkuno and Valkyrie and all that, but he did also release a collection to go along with one of his songs called Miss You. I really like his music. It might be a little different than what you think I might be into, so if you haven't listened to his music, I recommend it. But for right now, we're just gonna go ahead and open this package that I literally cannot wait 2 more seconds to get into. Okay, so while I am ripping into this, I will tell you of the newest male horror story that I experienced with this package. As you might be aware, I've had some very bad luck receiving packages this year, and this of course was no different. My package, along with like 1,000 others, got like lost on a truck or something because of the snow apocalypse we had a few weeks ago here. And so they were lost for a while, but they were found. So my package, my merchandise was just stuck somewhere on a truck on the side of the road, I guess, but now it is in my hands and I can open it. Okay, so I just ordered one item. I know he had like a poster and a beanie as well. I think he also had some face masks, but I got myself a hoodie. So here it is just out of the package. I can tell just by looking at it immediately, it has a bunch of great details on it. When he was describing the merchandise, he was very adamant to let us know that this was not just gonna be like, you know, slap a logo on your basic like champion sweatshirt. This is going to be like really well designed. And so I'm excited to get all of the bits and bobs out of it and take a look. All right, here is the whole thing. On the front, it has a really cool, like, artistic depiction of Corpse himself, and it's got some text on it. It says, "I will incite chaos," "Corpse husband," "Never satisfied," and "Miss You," which are a couple of his songs. So I'll give you a little close-up on the art here. Here it is. And the mask he's wearing in the art is actually one of the other items you could purchase. So there you can see the art looks really nice. And the fabric has like this light kind of distressed wash to it. And the little hoodie pulls are also metal, so those are really nice. This is a great quality sweatshirt. I can't wait to put this on. So the look and the feel, just like as a first impression, is really nice. The fabric is like nice and thick. It's not like a super heavy winter coat, but you know, the fabric feels nice, it's substantial, it doesn't feel like tissue paper. And you know, just kind of like seeing myself in the little monitor here, you might be thinking, now Heather, why would you, as someone who dresses in mostly pastels and rainbows, want to order something like this? Well, sometimes I like to dress like this, and sometimes I like to dress like this. I definitely do enjoy my pastels, but I like the e-girl look just fine too. So I've got some big platform boots, I've got my fishnets, I got a new little skirt on to go with my corpse hoodie, and I really love it. Now that I've got it on and I can like feel it, the inside is nice and soft. It's not like a fuzzy like fleece or anything. It's more just like a soft kind of like, not terry cloth, but it's almost like a little towel-like. So the fabric is like heavy, but it's not very thick. Right now when I'm filming this, it is just the beginning of April and it's still like, you know, between 60s and 70s outside. I was worried that now that I finally got this, I wouldn't be able to wear it outside because it would be too hot. But I think I will definitely still get plenty of use out of this before the crazy Texas summer hits. So I'm very thankful about that. So for size reference, I did get an extra small. I am 5'2" and about 110 pounds on a good day. The arms are like a little long and like baggy, so when the little wrist cuffs are where they're supposed to be, it has kind of a slouchy look to it, but it's a hoodie, so I think it really should have that anyway. As far as like the length of the hoodie itself, I did roll it up a little bit just for like style purposes, but if I pull it all the way down, it sits at right about like my mid-thigh, but it is easy enough to like roll it a little bit to style it a little more fashionably. I really love this. I can't wait to get more like accessories and stuff to go along with it. The one thing that I do wish it had was like here on the wrist cuff, I wish it had like a little hole that I could slip my thumb through. Some of my other like hoodies that are similar in style to this have that, but you know, who's to say I can't cut my own hole in it? Well, now that I have this hoodie, I don't think I'm ever going to take it off. I think it was well worth the wait of getting it. So if you are still waiting for yours, which I think people are still waiting, it'll be well worth your wait. And I think you'll really love it too. If you did miss the first order on these hoodies, from my understanding, there's going to be another round of pre-orders, and hopefully your order will not get lost on a truck in a snowstorm. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!